The rules of preparing trial balance is based on modern approach of accounting. That is basically trial balance is a statement. It comprises on the debit side all expenses, losses and assets. बिजनेस के जितने भी एक्सपेंसेस होंगे, लॉसेस होंगे, असेट्स होंगे, वो ट्रायल बैलेंस के डेबिट साइड में अपीयर होंगे। और बिजनेस के जितने भी ऑल इनकम्स, गेन्स दैट इज प्रॉफिट and liabilities are entered in the credit side of trial balance. Again I am repeating, all expenses, losses, assets are entered in the debit side of trial balance, whereas all incomes, gains and liabilities are written or entered in the credit side of trial balance. There are two formats of preparing trial balance. First of all, we write down the heading trial balance as on. Here we write the last day of our financial year. There are two formats of preparing trial balance, that is vertical format and horizontal format. We also prepare like the format of journal entry, that is serial number, particular or name of accounts, LF, ledger folio, debit amount and credit amount. Or the another format, that is the vertical format, and the another format is T-shaped format, that is left hand side is the debit side and right hand side is the credit side. Particular, LF, amount, again particular, LF and amount. First half is debit side and another half is credit side, isn't it? On the debit side we write expenses, losses and assets. We have to just identify it, whichever is the expenses, whichever is the losses, whichever is the asset side. And on the credit side we write income of the business, profit of the business and liabilities of the business. And at last, it is not balanced, it must be tallied. अगर आपने बुक कीपिंग में कोई भी मिस्टेक नहीं की है तो एट लास्ट ये दोनों साइड आपके क्या होंगे, टैली होंगे, बिकॉज वी फॉलोड डबल एंट्री सिस्टम, वेयर एज डेबिट साइड इज ऑलवेज इक्वल टू credit side. Our equation is left hand side is equal to right hand side. There is no balancing figure in this such type of questions, isn't it?